So this week we focus on diversity in the classroom and how every student can succeed despite any of their differences. No matter their background or learning abilities, every student has the right to get the education they deserve and need, and today I'm focusing on how a teacher can incorporate different learning techniques to stay inclusive in the classroom. So the video that I watched was called Reasoning About Shapes Complete Lesson. This classroom that I observed consisted of third graders learning math, specifically being geometry. This classroom was clearly diverse as the students were all different races and evidently all came from different backgrounds. They were all in uniform while all being racially contrasted. How learning was effective for all. So, starting off with the teacher efficiently balancing her time with each student when they were called on to answer questions about the math lesson. Positive feedback was given back to students at all times, no matter if they were right or wrong. Some students took more time than others, while also grasping the information quicker. Despite how long it took, the teacher would remain patient with each student. No student was rushed to answer or felt pressured. Students were able to talk to one another to work out questions amongst themselves, then share with the class. Each student was given a chance to speak if they wanted to. And at the end of the lesson, every student was expected to participate together. This just showed an effective and productive classroom where the teacher looked out for each and every student with their academic capabilities in mind. And then here are just some tactics used by the teacher. These are some direct quotes that I picked up from during my observation. So all of these statements are encouragement in the classroom, which allows kids to feel motivated and eager to participate when needed. So first, we have use our presentation. Voice, please. I like how you brought that up. That's good. He has us at a good start. Who can finish his answer? Thank you. That's right. And see if you can figure this out. So with these words of encouragement or statements of encouragement, the teacher is allowing the student to feel academically motivated despite any of their learning differences.